Hey y'all, for our mandolin music theory lesson of the week, we are still working our way through modes. We just got a couple left. Last week we did the Aeolian, which is so simple. It's just beginning on the sixth note of a major scale and ending on the sixth note of the major scale. So in C, that's C, D, E, F, G, A. One thing I failed to mention, though it was in the text of the video, is that that mode, beginning and ending on a 6, is the same as an A minor scale. See, the A minor scale and your C major scale actually utilize the same notes. They just begin and end at a different place. So that's another way you can think about it. The one we're going to talk about this time is the Phrygian mode. Now, Phrygian it's similar to Aeolian because we're not altering any notes, and it's just starting on a different note where we would normally play the scale. If we got our major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. For the Phrygian, we're just going to start on the third note and end on the third note. So E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. You can already hear that. It sounds different, right? That's all the Phrygian is. Third note. Play it in any key. Play it up and down. Yeah. Oops. Sounds different, and it's just another way we can solo over a C chord. And it just kind of hangs there, kind of unresolved, you know. That's easy. So you learn the Phrygian mode in, 2 minutes? Practice it in all chords, all keys, and use it to solo over some chords. And see what you think. It's just another tool for your musical toolbox. And modes are just things that sound complicated because they've all got like Greek names, but they're really not complicated at all. So if you're soloing and like I said about the Aeolian last time, say you're playing a C chord and you're just playing whatever C chord you want to play, whatever. And you don't want to sound like you're just playing the C scale, right? All right, so it sounds a little linear, right? Start on the third. Just try it. Same notes, just a different pattern. That's it. Just a different starting and ending place. The pattern is actually the same as the major scale. So just fool around with it and have fun. Modes aren't complicated. That's the main thing I keep trying to get across. So modes are not complicated. Y'all have a great week. I'll talk to you next time. If you got any questions, email me judson@judsoncarroll.com. Leave a comment or question in the comment or question section below the video. I'll get right back with you. As always, remember, playing mandolin is fun. Have fun with it. Don't overcomplicate it. And modes, I guess, are a way you can sound sophisticated without actually being sophisticated, because obviously I can play them and I'm not sophisticated. Have a good one. I'll talk to you next time.